It's going to take you 20 hours of effort to get one deal. It's going to take you 20 hours. But do you see that big, bold thing at the bottom there? 90 days. You have to go straight 90 days. On average, it takes 90 days of consistent action to get your first deal and start building up the momentum. Start building up your lead pipeline. 90 days, 90 days, 90 days. That is the difference. That is the thing that crushes people. That is the thing that people stop with. It's easy to do it for a week. It's easy to do it for 2 weeks. 3 weeks, it starts getting hard. 12 weeks? 12 weeks of consistency, 12 weeks of your wife or your husband looking at you like you're a crazy person because you're on the phone making calls every single day, every little chance that you get to build and feed and fuel that real estate passion and dream that you have. Ooh, man, that feels like a lot. Man, that feels heavy. I wish that I could just, download an app and buy stocks and make millions of dollars like that really, really, really quick. Well, listen, that's a fantasy. This is real. This is absolutely real. If you take consistent action for 90 days, you will win. It is impossible not to win. If you are constantly and consistently having quality conversations with distressed property owners for 90 days, you will get opportunities. You will get opportunities. How do I know that? Because I've had more testimonials than anybody. More testimonials. Can we pop that up? Can we put it on the testimonials page and just prove this thing? I mean, it's absolutely bananas. People are using this process. Look at this. Boom. Just scroll. Just scroll fast. Just go crazy. Go crazy with it. Look how tiny that little cursor is. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. This isn't to trumpet my own ego here. This is to show you that people are doing this. People are following this plan and having real success every single day. It's absolutely bananas. You can do it too. Follow the path. If you like this video, smash that subscribe button because we put out new videos every single day. And if you have a question that you want me to answer personally, join us live every Wednesday.